For all the latest updates, subscribe to News9.
Unlock 3.0 has allowed the opening of gyms across the country. However, excessive gymming has led to a big health scare for one teenager from Delhi. Vigorous gymming by an 18-year-old Lakshay Bindra from Delhi has led to a medical condition that caused malfunctioning of his kidneys. The case of 18-year-old Bindra has highlighted the adverse health consequences of excessive and aggressive gymming after months of not working out, according to doctors. Doctors have said that excessive gymming is the reason for the boy's kidney condition. Bindra, an avid gymming enthusiast, wanted to make up for the lost time when his favorite gym reopened after months of lockdown. He hit the gym over enthusiastically and exercised for over an hour quite vigorously. That same evening, he began to suffer from extreme muscle fatigue, body stiffness and pain, along with vomiting. Bindra was brought to the hospital in a bad shape after suffering at home for 3 days. The head of the hospital's renal and kidney transplant has said that the patient was suffering from acute pain in the abdomen. When the patient came to our hospital, he was suffering from acute pain in the abdomen, black-colored urine with reduced urine output, and deranged kidney and liver function. He was diagnosed with rhabdomyolysis, a health condition in which acute muscle breakdown occurs. This in turn releases certain types of enzymes in the bloodstream, leading to kidney malfunction. The patient was immediately wheeled into the ICU and administered IV fluids to maintain hydration and to provide nutrients to his muscles. A gentle form of physiotherapy was conducted for a few days to soothe the muscles. Doctors said that Bindra needed 2 sessions of dialysis. In addition, he needed 2 sessions of dialysis as his kidneys had stopped functioning totally. Slowly, as days passed, the patient started improving. His muscle stiffness and pain began to subside gradually, even as he slowly regained muscle power. The doctors further added that myoglobin release due to muscle injury has led to kidney dysfunction. If the condition was not detected on time, it could have led to eventual kidney shutdown and life-threatening complications. Doctors said that the condition is very rare in a young boy. It was rare for us to see such a young individual suffering from non-functioning kidneys. Luckily, we managed to lead him to full recovery after a week's stay at the hospital. His kidneys have revived and are fully functional now. The attending consultant of emergency medicine said that aggressive exercise leads to accumulation of acid. Lockdown has its problems, but so does the unlocking phase, as shown by this case. Caution is the key, and not overdoing what the body cannot tolerate. COVID-19 lockdown had stopped gym enthusiasts from working out. While working out is essential to be fit, it is important to know that anything that is done in excess can prove to be detrimental.